Shalom Mishpacha. I've wanted to do this video for quite some time to help those of you who want to donate to the ministry, and I've had this request a number of times, so I thought it's time I do a video that will kind of help walk through all the family to be able to donate, return your tithes, or make a one-time gift. So this will be a short and simple video to walk you through the process of being able to donate or return your giving to Ahavah Fellowship. So the first point I would like to raise to you is you can do a very simple transaction through the Ahavah Fellowship webpage. For that, all you need to do is just type in www.ahavahfellowship.com, and that will take you to our homepage that you see before us, and then look to the yod right in the middle, and you'll see these beautiful colors all lighting up. Thank you, Olivia, for your wonderful web design. Click on the About on the yod, and that will take you straight through to our About Us section, and that is then going to present this screen. Scroll all the way through all this exciting and wonderful information about the ministry and our values, and then you'll come to this Contact Us section. And here there are some other links that will take you to relevant sections, and there are some instructions as to how to get to the building, but because we're on lockdown, hey, this is what it is for now. But you want to click on this little section here called Donate through PayPal. You don't have to have a PayPal account. Can do it through that way, but this is a quick and efficient way to be able to sow into the ministry. So you click on Donate, and you'll be presented with how much you would like to give, and just be mindful of your decimal places so that you don't end up sending through 50 pence, though we appreciate every bit. You want to be mindful of the decimal places on the screen. So if you want to put in £50, you simply put 5000, and there you go, £50. If you want to put through any amount you want to, you can put through 10000 to get through £100. And then you can either click to make this donation a monthly gifting, and this is the important bit down here, donate with a card. And that'll take us to a section where you simply just populate, it'll keep your original value in there, just populate your country of origin and your banking details as you would normally do with any transaction that you pay for online, being sure to put your billing address in there, country of origin, postcode, and then click on this section, share your postal address with the Ahavah Fellowship. So this will then inform me through a nice little email that you have made a kind donation. Don't forget to put your mobile details and your email address, and to save this information for next time to make it easier for you to donate. And then you click on agree and donate now, and that's it. It's done, real quick and easy. The other way you can do this is if you have a mobile banking application on your phone, and this is method 2, you simply just have to put in our sort code and account details into your mobile banking application. And as you're already aware, I'm sure, that you can make a payment to any bank account from your own bank. Again, on the left-hand side, there are the PayPal instructions. So ahavahfellowship.com/about to get to that PayPal section we just looked at before. On the right, the sort code and account details for you. For those of you who are international, in other words, you're outside of the United Kingdom, you will need some additional information to make that payment successfully. So on top of the sort code and account number, you will need the SWIFT BIC. It's an international banking code, which denotes which bank and head branch it's going to, so the money can be traced. And then the IBAN number is the most important bit there, international banking access number, and this will ensure that whatever monies you donate goes straight through to the correct bank, branch, and in the right country as well, and that will allow the monies to be successfully transferred correctly and traced. And that payment should take place within about 4 days if you're doing it internationally. So that's it. I'll keep it real brief and short. Any problems, please do come back to me. You can always get straight through to me at this address. If you want to email me, if you're having any issues, if you want to send a check, even if you prefer to send a check, please do email me at info@ahavahfellowship.com, and I will email you my address details. Thank you, all of you, so much. Without your support, which is actually partnering with the ministry, we cannot continue to do what we're doing. And every day I'm receiving messages from people around the world thanking me and thanking us for these videos that are teaching them the way, the truth, and the life of Yeshua HaMashiach. Thank you.